Hi guys, in this video I'm going to show you how you can create the glowing text effect in CapCut for PC. For instance, you're just going to add the black screen to the tray and select text to add the text, so just click the bold text. Just body duration the same length with the text duration and change body text. Alright. You can resize, you can change body font style. And you can change for the color. Alright. So to run, select the clips, right click, and then click create component clip. Go to effect and you can select the light and looking for the angel effect. So just add a track. Then I just put its things. So this is the final effect you have on your text. I hope this tutorial was helpful for you guys. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and also subscribe. Thank you so much for watching.